Hello, welcome to the Mental Health System's Edina office tour. We are located at 6600 France Avenue South in Edina, Minnesota in the Southdale Office Center. We are on the second floor in suite number 230. Our main entrance is conveniently located right off of France Avenue. Our office center provides an abundance of free parking, so you should have no problem finding a spot at any time of the day. Let's take a tour starting from the main entrance of the building. You'll enter through the double doors and walk straight ahead. You're already on the second floor, so you will not need to use the stairs or an elevator. Once you reach the directory, you'll take a left and walk straight ahead. Suite 230 is located to your left next to the second floor side entrance. When you arrive, you'll be greeted by one of our admin staff and they will assist you with your appointment. If you require handicapped access, our building has a side entrance just to the left of the main entrance. Our suite will be to your immediate right once you enter the building. Another thing to note, if you are here for one of our continued education seminars, this is also where our MHS Education Center is located. We hope you found this video to be helpful, and we look forward to seeing you.